This exceptional artwork is composed of 500 discarded remote controls showcasing a vibrant array of sizes, shapes, and colors. It epitomizes a compelling sustainable design, emphasizing the importance of reusability. The intention is to shed light on the issue of users' irresponsible disposal of electronic gadgets. While the installation location is yet to be determined, it is anticipated that this art installation will play a significant role in promoting awareness. Rather than merely advocating for sustainable practices, this impactful installation has the potential to serve as a corporate social responsibility initiative. Companies focused on environmental, social, and governance principles could propose an ideal public location in Bangalore for its installation. The root causes of this issue can be attributed to various factors, including the use of non-affordable and intentionally manufactured cheap quality products, particularly those from Chinese manufacturers designed for short lifespans. Additionally, of faulty, rejected, or defective manufacturing outcomes contributes to the problem. Unfortunately, these unprofessional products often lead users to dispose of non-working items without proper consideration. It is essential to recognize the roles of product designers and manufacturing strategies, as they are significant contributors to the alarming increase in landfill waste.